Hello Fly Babies, hello patrons, hello my lions. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Wednesday and we are back to a 3-layer cake. Morning routine, laundry routine, paper routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine. 5 routines are in this layer. They happen throughout the day. The second layer is the basic weekly plan item. On Wednesday, that is our planning and desk day. Here are the steps that happen in planning and desk day. We check our refrigerator, we throw away stuff that's gone bad or is empty, we wipe some little rings up that might be in there or stickiness, we kind of reorganize everything to put like things together and make room for new groceries. We check our inventory to see what we have on our shelves that we can put in our menu and we don't have to buy at the grocery store. So you're going to be looking in your freezer, in your pantry, and in your refrigerator for what you can use to make meals with. You're going to be writing down menus, and then you're going to be writing a grocery list. First, the things you know you need. So you can either say, what are we going to have for breakfasts all this week? You know, might have different ones. Some people like the same thing. Some people like varied menus. What are we going to have for snacks all this week? What are we going to have for lunches? What are we going to have for dinners? And maybe you plan desserts, I don't know. But look and see what you can make from what you have at home first, and then make your list. So you'll probably notice if you're out of butter or milk or eggs or whatever when you're doing your initial clean, and it's not a deep clean. This is a really quick blessing of the fridge so that when you do buy your new groceries, they're going to fit in there nicely and you're going to have a nice looking refrigerator, and you won't accidentally buy another ketchup because you found a good one right there in the fridge, right? Haven't we all done that? Okay, so making a menu, making a grocery list, and then you're going to go to your desk. And at the desk, you're going to see your inbox from when you've been doing that inch of paper every day and when you've been going through your mail every day. And there are action items in the inbox. So you're going to handle your action items, whatever that might be. And you're going to file anything that requires filing. Then you're going to pay your bills. Well, first you're going to balance your checkbook, check your debit card or credit card and make sure there's nothing weird happening out there, no fraud. Then you're going to pay your bills. Then you're going to look at your budget, make sure you're still on budget, and make sure that your groceries come to approximately $1 less than you've budgeted to give you that control, okay? Now you won't know for sure until you go to the store to buy things, unless you just have that kind of a memory and you can predict what the new prices are going to be every week. That is why I like to order my groceries online. I know exactly how much they're going to be, and oftentimes once they actually hit my account, it's less than, because they'll find some deals for me. I do that at Walmart. And I want to tell you that the one thing I'm most impressed with is the quality of the produce, and that was the biggest concern I had on ordering groceries from Walmart, was that I wasn't going to get good produce because I'm very picky about that. Their produce selections for me are excellent, and I've had them come to me before and say, you know, Kat, we couldn't get you, they don't call me Kat, ma'am, we couldn't get the green beans for you. I really didn't like the way they looked today. And that makes me happy. I can go to the local grocery store and pick up green beans, or I can change the vegetable and, you know, from my canned goods or whatever that I have, or freezer vegetables. So I just wanted to let you know that that is the way you can really control your budget if you're having an issue. If you don't have a Walmart near you, maybe you have some other store that you can order from. If not, then make sure that you are being careful to add as you go along in the grocery store and keep track so that you are staying under budget. And if it continues to be a problem, then I encourage you to bring cash only to the grocery store, but please be very, very, very vigilant that it's not lifted from you or that you don't lose it, because it can't be replaced, the cash. All right, so that's groceries. We're planning our groceries. So we've handled everything that needs to be handled except our planning. So we're going to take your planner and you're going to put your menus in your planner. I like to put my menus at the bottom of each page, what I'm having that day. I use my little Frixion pen, here's mine, Frixion pen that is erasable, so if I do change my mind and want to switch some things around, I can do that during the week without making a mess, which bothers me, and I think it might bother you. So this, again, in case you've never heard me say it before, is a Pilot gel pen called Frixion. Frixion. I got mine on Amazon. I think you can get them at Walgreens and lots of other places too. Okay, And just be aware that mine only lasts me about a month. The ink does run out pretty fast. All right, next is, actually that's it. That's it, so you're gonna check your planner. Now if you're working, there's a different way of doing this. You're gonna do your morning routines, gonna go in the refrigerator in the morning, right before you get the kids up, and you're gonna take a quick look, throw out the junk, you know, soak the Tupperware or put it in the dishwasher. You've already emptied the dishwasher, so you can put it in there. And also, all of you, when you're looking at this, consider why you have so many leftovers that are going bad. Should those have been frozen to be used in a soup or be used as a side dish later? And you just keep a little list so you know what's in your freezer and label those items. Would that be better? Because you're wasting a lot of good groceries. Or are your green onions always going bad? Do you need to split those with a neighbor in the future? Are you not ever using those carrots that you think you're going to eat with hummus, and the hummus and the carrots go bad? Reconsider what you're buying or how much you're buying, and then I think you'll be happier. Okay, so you're going to do that, and then you're going to take maybe a quick snapshot, or it's not a snapshot, a picture with your phone of your refrigerator, or your freezer, or your pantry, or all, and so that when you're on your lunch hour, you can kind of remember what's in there and kind of see what you've got and make up your menu and do those things at work. So you'll be paying bills at work. I recommend online bill pay for those of you who are working, and automatic bill pay from your checking account to the payee, not the payee being allowed to come into your checking account. I don't recommend that. However, sometimes insurance companies, that's the only way they'll do it to give you a break, and as a banker, that's the one area I have never seen mistakes made on, and that's insurance. But I have seen mistakes made on auto draft mortgages, auto draft car payments. Double drafts on those things can cause you a big headache because it's hard to get your money back. They take a long time to refund. So always set up your payment plan, your payment to come from your account that you control, and you send it to them. Don't give them your account number and have them come in. Just a recommendation. You can do what you please. All right, so if you'll pay your bills online, that's so much easier to take care of at work. Just look at your list and make sure you're not missing anything. And then make a grocery list, look at your budget. You can do these things on that lunch hour or on your 2 breaks. You'll get better and better at it if you do it every week. But it's really important that you do pay attention to what's in your checking account and what you're spending and your budget and your groceries. And make sure that you take that little action packet with you from your desk today and take care of the action required on those things. There won't be a lot. Maybe you'll need to call the school. Maybe you need to contact the PTA president. Maybe you need to call the dentist and make an appointment. Whatever it is, it won't be a lot and you can get it done. If you can't get it all done today, you can do some more tomorrow. That's fine. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget to do your before bed routine. Don't forget to do your, remember to, thank you, Nancy. Remember to do your 3 clutter checks a day. Remember to inspect what you expect. Remember to do your before bed routines. Remember to check your planner. That's it for today. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.